have currently three types of resin. One is 1:1, 2:1, and 3:1. What are the types of resin that my brand provides for all the resin artists? So one is resin Nova, which is 2:1 ratio. One is resin Lust, which is 2:1 ratio, and one is resin Infinite, which is 3:1 ratio. One is resin Nova, which is this, and hardener is this, which comes into a black and white packaging. So what are the features of resin Nova? Resin Nova is a high viscosity resin and it is bubble free, but it is also fast curing. So you get a working time of 15 minutes and a curing time of 7 to 8 hours. What can you do with Fencraft Resin Nova? So you can create beach artworks where you need to make the beach patterns, the waves, the lacing. You can also make abstract artworks where you can create a 3D effect by layers of resin. And third is you can make geode artworks, because whenever you're making an artwork or geode artwork, you need the flows, the patterns to be intact, and you don't want them to slip out of your edges. So you can use the resin Nova. Also, there's one more benefit where in resin Nova there is a very less wastage, where even if you have curved edges or straight edges, so you get very less wastage and you save a lot on your resin.